Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and just before I start today's video I just want to make you all aware of a trading signal service that we provide here. If you would like to receive trading signals from me, for myself, or the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements, then you can do so simply by visiting our website www.dailymarketmovements.com. I'm going to leave the website link below this video in the description, so if you are interested in joining our amazing team, then please do not hesitate. Scroll down and click on that link, which will then take you to our website, where you'll see that we charge a very small fee of $199 for a year's membership. So in front of me is the gold over the US dollar chart, and as you can see today we've had a very volatile day. We started Sunday evening with a little gap to the upside at trading around 1734, and then since then we have caved in all the way, trading down to 1705. But in the last hour or so we have found some buyers around that 1700 mark, where we have then shot back up towards that 1720 area, and that is where we currently find ourselves trading. So still trading, we're still trading in this holding pattern that we've been in now for the past 2 months, of between 1675 and 1740. So 1675 being the floor in this channel and 1740 being the roof, as I've highlighted on the chart here in the blue box. So I think that today we did find some support around that 1705 area, because you could still draw this kind of ascending triangle pattern. If I just draw the upside to it now around that 1740 area, there you go. We're still kind of in this ascending triangle pattern where I think we found some support. So it is a bullish sign. This is encouraging, as this is typically a bullish holding pattern. And even if we did break below this ascending triangle, we have the 50-day EMA, which is at around that 1700 level, which should offer some sort of support. And then below there we have the typical 1675 area, which has also been very supportive in previous trading sessions, as I'm now highlighting on the chart. So where do I expect to trade within the next couple of days? Well, typically Monday and Tuesday we do see pressure on gold, so we could potentially still see us sinking back down towards that 1700 level, but anywhere around that 1700 level I like to buy gold. I like buying the dips because long term and short term I'm bullish, and I expect that it will only be a matter of weeks now. I know I've been saying this for some time, but this holding pattern has been quite long, but I only think it will be a matter of time until we do trade above towards that $1,800 level. So what I would like to see going in on Tuesday is some pressure back down towards the 1700 area, where I could potentially take advantage of a dip and open a long position, because so far this afternoon and this morning I have been a seller of gold. Also, I just want to say a huge congratulations to everyone in the Signal group. We managed to bank a nice $10 from 1720 all the way down to 1710 this morning on gold. So well done to everyone who managed to get into that trade, as we did make some nice profit. But looking towards Tuesday, I'm looking for another dip in gold around to that 1700 level, where I can play some longs and then go long trading towards 1740. 1740 will be my target on Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Hopefully we can reach towards there, and then eventually, I think we are building up pressure. As you can see, we've come into contact with 1740 3 times in the past 3 weeks now, so we are building pressure against that level, and I'm looking at for an eventual break out of 1740, where we'll then go and challenge the 1764 area, which are the highs about 3.5 weeks ago. And then once we break above that level there, we will then go towards the $1,800 level, which has been my yearly target, dating back to January 2020, when we're trading down at 1500 level. So I'm very confident that we will get there at some point this year. We just need to clear the 1740 area, but we are continuing to build pressure. So it's a very bullish sign here in the gold markets. Also, I want to highlight the fact that we are, with regards to the RSI, we are nowhere near overbought. We are bang on in the middle, so the market could potentially, in theory, go in either direction with plenty of momentum. But this does still clear the way for us to go to that 1800 level area. And then even if the market did break down, for example, as I mentioned before, below we have the 50-day EMA as support. 1650 will also come in and offer some sort of support, as we have had a bit of noise there, as you can see as I'm highlighting on the chart. And then below there we have the 200-day EMA, which is now at around 1600 level. The 1600 level, which is also a huge psychological number, so that should offer support. But as I mentioned, on Tuesday, look for another dip around about 1700, and then be a buyer at that dip, targeting towards 1740 later on in the week. you.